is the wingspan. Total 6 feet. Part of the wingspan is about here. I'd say that birds could be landing in the wall.
Hey you, stop littering. Hello viewers. As you might know, the world is having a situation. Yeah, this situation. But this video is to raise the sense of environmental care since everyone is using the internet. So here are things you humans can take to make your planet a better place.
Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce.
Stop littering.
If you guys don't know what littering is, it's the boy littering in my animation.
Data time.
Around 1.9 billion tons of litter end up in the ocean every year, which clearly shows that people tend to throw things randomly anywhere, more often than they throw waste in the garbage bins. And as you guys can see, one of them is like the ocean problems, where like all the garbage are piling up in the ocean. How to solve this problem? Simple. Here's my way of doing it. Here's the real way you can prevent it. First, you can pick up trash when you see one. Second, you can follow the rules by the government. And the rest will be too much for me to mention in this video. Instead of the cow you eat, you can eat a plant-based one. This reduces the greenhouse emission produced.
Data time.
The FAO, or the Food Agriculture of the United States, stated that total emission from global livestock is 7.1 gigatons of CO2 equivalent per year, representing 14.5% of all anthropogenic GHG emission.
Yeah, but this is Mark Rober. This is his channel. He used to work at NASA. He put this thing on Mars. He does a lot of cool things.
In fact, the demand is growing so much, it now makes sense for farmers in the Amazon just to burn it down and to turn that forest into grazing land for animals. We've irreversibly lost 20% of the Amazon so far. And that's a double gut punch, because now not only is that more cow farts adding to climate change, but when you burn those trees, all the carbon stored inside them goes back into the atmosphere as the greenhouse gas CO2. The best part is the silver lining. Plant-based meat is the exact kind of innovation Bill's referring to here. And I'm optimistic because as the demand for plant-based meats goes up, the price will come down, much lower than actual meat. So that not only will the experience be identical to eating meat, but it's better for you, better for animals, and much better for the planet. Oh, and it also costs half as much. It just becomes a really easy decision for people to switch in massive numbers.
If you guys want to see more about this, I will be linking Mark Rober's video in the description. He explained about this in more depth and in a more entertaining video. And yes, this step is Bill Gates approved.
It's quite good. Today, we will be planting 20 million trees.
What is deforestation, you ask? This is deforestation. Put it into words, it's basically overcutting of trees. presently in the tropical rainforests of South America are responsible of 20% of Earth's oxygen, and they are disappearing at a rate of 4 hectares a decade. If these rates are not stopped and reversed, the consequences will become even more severe. An ironic twist when considering against the fact that 80% of deforestation comes from small-scale agriculture and cattle ranching. So it's linked with the step 3 where you should not eat from livestock. So here are some things you can do to save the environment. Number 1, plant a tree where you can. Number 2, go paperless at home or in the office. Number 3, buy recycled products. Number 4, support companies who are committed to stop deforestation. And then you can raise awareness in your community. And last but not least, don't use palm oil. As some of you might know, Mr. Beast and Mark Rober made a project of planting 20 million trees. This can help a lot in saving the environment. I'll be linking their video in the link in the description. Here's a simpler way you can help stop deforestation. You can go to teamtrees.org and donate $1, which equals to 1 tree planted. Or you just can spam Mr. Beast to plant 40 million trees.
You guys spammed me to plant 20 million trees on Twitter, Reddit, all over my comment section, so I made it happen.
You guys want to see what happens if we don't take action? With the world closed right now, we might still have a second chance on making the Earth a better place.